This man was exonerated after spending 43 years in prison, only to be taken straight into ICE custody. Subramanian Subu Vedam, now 64 years old, came to the US when he was just 9 months old and spent almost his entire adult life in prison for a murder he didn't commit. The conviction was finally vacated after a court found prosecutors hid evidence that would have completely dismantled the state's case back in 1982. His defense uncovered an FBI report suggesting the victim's bullet wound was too small to have been caused by the gun prosecutors claimed. But before his murder arrest, Vedam had pleaded guilty at age 19 to intent to distribute LSD, a charge his family describes as a youthful mistake. That conviction carried immigration consequences that were revived after his exoneration. ICE now plans to send him to India, where he knows no one. His family, most of whom are US citizens, is devastated. They describe him as a deeply compassionate man who uses decades of wrongful imprisonment to help others. His niece Zoe said, "He worked as a teacher helping many people get their degrees. People who have spoken to us afterwards about how having him support them while they were incarcerated really changed their lives. He completed multiple degrees himself. He was always learning and caring." She added, to send him to India at 64 on his own and away from his family and community would be just extending the harm of his wrongful incarceration. Vedam's legal team has filed a motion to reopen his immigration case and a petition for a stay of deportation. The government has until October 24th to respond.